When you think about coconuts, the delicious water or creamy flesh might be the first things that come to mind. But have you ever wondered about the fibrous outer shell, the humble coconut husk? Often discarded as waste, this tough layer has surprising health benefits that have been utilized for centuries and are now being rediscovered by modern science. From supporting wound healing to promoting detoxification, coconut husks offer incredible natural advantages you won't want to overlook. If you've ever used a coconut product before, what part of the coconut did you think had the most value? Let us know in the comments. You might just be amazed at how much more the husk has to offer. Coconut husks are a natural shield against harmful microorganisms, thanks to their antifungal and antibacterial properties. Packed with lignin and tannins, natural compounds that are known to inhibit microbial growth, coconut husks have long been used in traditional medicine to prevent and treat infections. For example, burning coconut husks to create ash is a common practice in tropical regions. This ash is then mixed into ointments to treat wounds, cuts, and skin irritations. The antimicrobial qualities ensure that the wounds remain clean and heal faster. So, whether you're using traditional remedies or modern products, coconut husk extracts can provide a natural way to boost hygiene and fight infections. If you're looking for a natural way to support your skin's health, coconut husks might surprise you. The antioxidants present in husk extracts help neutralize free radicals, which can damage skin cells and accelerate aging. Additionally, tannins in the husk have anti-inflammatory properties that soothe irritated or inflamed skin. Traditional practices often involve applying coconut husk-derived ash to skin conditions such as rashes or eczema. These methods work because the husk not only cleanses the skin, but also provides a protective barrier against further irritation or infection. Modern skincare brands are starting to incorporate coconut husk extracts into their formulations, offering natural alternatives for people looking to improve their skin's health. Coconut husks also make a surprising appearance in hair care. Extracts from the husk are sometimes used in shampoos and conditioners designed to improve scalp health. Their antibacterial and antifungal properties help combat dandruff and fungal infections that can irritate the scalp. In addition, the nutrients found in coconut husk extracts can strengthen hair roots, reducing hair fall and improving overall hair volume. This natural ingredient offers a gentle yet effective solution for maintaining a healthy scalp and strong, shiny hair. While you won't be eating coconut husks directly, teas made from coconut husk extracts have gained popularity as a detoxifying drink. These teas are believed to support digestion, cleanse the digestive system, and help flush out toxins from the body. In traditional medicine, coconut husk tea has been used as a remedy for bloating, indigestion, and other stomach-related issues. The fibers in the husk help promote gut health by supporting the body's natural detoxification process. Did you know that burning coconut husks can have respiratory benefits? In many tropical regions, the smoke from burning husks is used to clear nasal passages and ease breathing during colds or sinus infections. The antimicrobial properties of the husk are believed to help reduce respiratory infections and improve air quality in small spaces. Although modern medicine has advanced significantly, these traditional practices highlight the potential of coconut husks as a natural remedy for respiratory health. Another practical health benefit of coconut husks is their ability to repel insects. When burned, the husk produces smoke that effectively deters mosquitoes and other pests. This natural method of insect control not only protects against mosquito-borne illnesses, but also avoids the harmful chemicals found in synthetic repellents. In rural areas, coconut husk fibers are sometimes used to create natural hygiene products that help prevent infections and promote cleanliness. While the traditional uses of coconut husks are well documented, modern research continues to uncover their potential in health and wellness. from skincare and hair care to detoxification and respiratory health. The applications of this often overlooked resource are diverse and impactful. By integrating coconut husk products into your routine, you're not only benefiting your health, but also contributing to sustainable and eco-friendly practices. Coconut husks may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about health and wellness, but their benefits are undeniable. So, the next time you come across a coconut, don't overlook its husk. It might just be the key to unlocking better health and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you in the next video.